Today, almost everyone has heard of AI, chatbots, image maker, and systems that predict prices. They are all part of what we call artificial intelligence or AI. But what lets a system think or learn? The answer is powerful hidden structure called a neural network. It's made of tiny units called neurons that pass signals to each other. By changing how strong these signals are, the network learns from data and improves over time. Humans have always tried to teach computers to make decisions like people, but to decide we need something that works like a brain, a system that can find patterns in data. Neural networks were built exactly for this, finding patterns in data without us giving them formulas directly. The design is inspired by the human brain. In the brain, billions of nerve cell neurons exchange signals. Each neuron receives information from many inputs, combines it, and decides whether to active or not. An artificial neural network simulates the same idea using number and mathematics. Now let's see what a neural network is made of. In the simplest case, there are three main parts. 1. Inputs, the data we feed into the network. 2. Weights, numbers that tell how important each input is. 3. Output, the network predicts results. For now, we will ignore learning. We just want to understand how the neural network makes a prediction with these parts. The simplest neural network has just one input and one weight. It takes a real-world number as the input, multiplies it by the weight, and produces an output. The formula is very simple. Y hat equals x times w. Here x is our input, w is the weight, and y hat the output, and this is our prediction. A weight is like a volume knob or tuner. If the weight is large, the output becomes stronger. If the weight is small, its effect is weaker. If the weight is negative, the effect flips direction. In short, weights tell the network which input matter more. Let's say the input is 8.5 and the weight is 0.1. The network makes a prediction 8.5 times 0.1 is equals 0.85. For now, the exact meaning of this number isn't important. The point is that the network combines the input with the weight to produce a prediction. In real life, we usually have multiple inputs. For example, in financial AI, inputs can include the current price, trading volume, and market sentiment. Each input has its own weight, and the network combines them to build the final output. In the next part, we'll look more closely at how this input combine to make a prediction. Okay, what we learned? AI learn from data. A neural network is mass brain behind it. In the simplest case, it multiplies the input by weight to make a prediction. Next, we will move to more realistic case when we have a multiple input and the network must decide how important each one is. Okay, see you the next video. Bye bye.